my chest, broken dreams and a heart that won't rest. Every mile feels like a mountain to climb, but they say it gets better in time.